Are you struggling to beat the summer heat and wondering which air conditioner is right for your home? With so many options, window ACs, split units, central cooling, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to choose the perfect air conditioner for your home, step by step. Hey there, my name is Steve Hugan, and I am the tech blogger at USA Tech Deals. Welcome to USA Tech Deals. A good air conditioner is more than just comfort. It protects your health by preventing heat-related issues, improves air quality, and even preserves your furniture and electronics from humidity damage. That's why making the right choice is so important. There are four main types of air conditioners. Window ACs, affordable, easy to install, but best for small rooms. Split ACs, quiet, energy efficient, and stylish, great for bedrooms and living rooms. Central AC, perfect for large homes, provides uniform cooling but comes with higher costs. Portable ACs, flexible mobile units ideal for rentals or temporary setups. One of the biggest mistakes people make is buying the wrong size. A unit that's too small will struggle, and one that's too big wastes energy. The general rule is about 20 BTUs per square foot. For example, a 500 SQ FT room usually needs around a 10,000 BTU AC. For precise sizing, consult a professional. Always check for Energy Star labels and higher SEER ratings. They'll save you money on electricity bills. Also, look for features like inverter technology, dehumidifier mode, smart controls, and air filters. Choose the features you'll actually use, not just what looks fancy. Installation is key. Window AC should be tilted slightly for drainage, while split and central AC should always be installed by professionals. And don't forget maintenance. Clean your filters every 3 months and schedule yearly servicing for the best performance. So that's how you can choose the perfect air conditioner for your home. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might be looking for the same guidance. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe to our email newsletter for more detailed guides. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep receiving videos like this. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and I'll see you in the next one.